Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Greg?
The dollar-yen pair has added 0.7% in the last 3 sessions. The Williams indicator shifted into overbought territory. Bitcoin has fallen 2.1% in the last session. The ADX has transitioned into negative territory. The price of gold has fallen 5% in the last 3 sessions. The RSI is cooling down and is currently oversold. The price of crude oil has remained muted in the last session. The stochastic RSI has sunk into oversold territory.
Thank you for your insightful trading ideas. Moving on to world headlines.
Wall Street's main indexes fell sharply amid data showing a slowdown in domestic business activity. Ethereum's surge has sent Bloomberg's crypto index up over 60% in 2020, surpassing the gains in gold prices. The U.S. dollar continued its upward march, sending a warning sign to equity markets about buying the dip.
Thank you, and now let's go through today's major economic events.
The UK public sector net borrowing will be released at 400 GMT, the Eurozone's private sector credit at 600 GMT, the Eurozone's M3 money supply at 600 GMT, the UK BOE quarterly bulletin at 900 GMT, the US durable goods orders at 1030 GMT, and the Canadian budget balance at 1300 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.